In this guide, I'll show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2, which is going to restore it to factory settings so it's like brand new. So the first thing you want to do is select System Settings in the bottom right corner. Then you want to scroll all the way down to System at the bottom. Then you can scroll over and scroll all the way down again until you see Data Clear options. So we're going to open this up and you can scroll down to the bottom. And this is where you're going to see Restore Factory Settings, which is going to delete all data in the system memory. So there's going to be this long warning right here, so I recommend you have a read through it. Long story short, everything's going to be deleted, and it's going to be like brand new when you first turned it on. So if you're okay with that, you can select Next, and then it's going to discuss unlinking any linked to Nintendo accounts. I'm just going to go to Next here. And then it's going to give you this final caution that when you restore your factory settings, everything's going to be deleted, and the process may take some time. So if you want to go through with that, select this option. I'm just going to press the home button though. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.